Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir from raw milk, step by step. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need 1 quart of fresh, high-quality raw milk and about 1 tablespoon of active kefir grains. Also, prepare a clean, wide-mouth glass jar, a non-metal spoon, and a fine mesh strainer. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and successful fermentation process from the very beginning. Now, let's combine our ingredients for the initial fermentation. Carefully place your active kefir grains into the clean glass jar. Next, gently pour 1 quart of raw milk over the grains, ensuring they are fully submerged. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or a breathable cloth to allow air circulation while keeping out contaminants. Let this mixture ferment at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 24 hours. After approximately 24 hours, your raw milk should have visibly thickened, indicating successful fermentation. Gently stir the contents of the jar with your non-metal spoon to ensure even consistency. Now, carefully pour the fermented milk through a fine mesh, non-metal strainer into a clean bowl. The thick liquid that passes through is your delicious, homemade raw milk kefir, ready for consumption or further flavoring. The kefir grains, now separated from the finished kefir, are ready for their next batch. You can gently rinse them with a small amount of fresh raw milk if you wish, though it's not always necessary. Immediately place these grains into a new clean jar with another 1 quart of fresh raw milk to begin the next fermentation cycle. Store your finished raw milk kefir in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 7 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.